I'm Babsy B. Today I invite you and your child to enjoy one of the activities from the back of this book, So Big. This first activity has you ask your baby, "How big are you?" Your goal here is to get baby to interact with you. Notice how baby pays close attention when you lift your voice at the end of a question. How big are you? You'll raise your baby's arms as you answer to say, "So big, so big." In their first months, babies see high contrast black and white images. Babies like to look at babies and at animals, and that's why your baby will stare at length at this book's animals and its babies. In this book, you'll repeatedly ask and answer, "How big are you?" This allows your baby to practice hearing your question and how to answer. Panda bear, how big are you? And baby says, so big, I am so big too. I find babies also like it when I say, "Yay!" and clap my hands after some of those interactions. While playing this game with you, your baby is learning animal names and how animals look, and possibly as early as 6 months. Your baby will toss those arms in the air when anyone says, "How big are you?" Oh, that's exciting. Come back here for another activity for how to enjoy this book or another in the series. I'm Babsy B. That's me. That's me.